you've received a denial, don't panic. There are steps that you can take to salvage your case. Today, I'd like to talk to you about steps you can take if your EB-1A visa application has been denied. My name is Priya Alagiri. I am an immigration attorney, and I've been helping engineers for over 15 years. I review denial notices and RFEs every week, and I see the same patterns over and over. These are the steps that you can take. First, step one, read the denial like a legal document. Take the emotion out of it. The EB-1A visa is a law, and there are requirements that the legal requirements that the Immigration Service has to follow. So if you received a denial, make sure that they got the law correct. You will get usually a letter explaining why they denied your EB-1A visa. It should go into detail. It should specifically mention the criteria that you failed to qualify for. It should detail the reasons you failed to qualify. And you should know whether they make comments about, like, kind of vague comments about your evidence being not persuasive or insufficient. And once you've read your denial letter, you've outlined what criteria you haven't met and why, then you have your roadmap for what you need to address in your future filings. So after you have this roadmap, you can decide whether to appeal or start fresh. In some cases, if it's clear that the Immigration Service misinterpreted the law or misread your evidence, then it may be beneficial to you to appeal. But if your EB-1A visa application was thin or not poorly poorly organized, then it's likely more effective to refile with a stronger record instead of trying to defend a weak one. Step three, fix the underlying problem, not just the paperwork. Most denials I've seen are not about missing one item. They're about evidence that doesn't match the EB-1A visa legal requirements, or there's no clear story demonstrating your extraordinary ability and your sustained claim. Before you appeal or refile, you should know exactly which criteria you are really strong on and what evidence can you add to make that case stronger. If your EB-1A visa application was denied or you get a tough RFE, don't guess the next step. Use the link in the description to send my team your notice, your letter of denial, and we will do a strategy review, and we can best guide you on whether you should appeal or whether you should file a brand new application. Visit alagirilaw.com to connect with us, and don't forget to subscribe for more guidance.